Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you where to find the forum on the Webnovel application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the profile icon next to the Explore button at the lower right corner of the screen, and click to the forum option next under the settings, and here you can find news and comments and more. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.